Hello, flat earthers. Just wait a minute, I'll adjust my camera. Of course, we now know that. Let's hold it a minute. Sorry about that. Yeah, well, we all know now that most governments on this, what they're calling a ball Earth, was just total fucking crap, you know. So of course, us millions of us millions of flat earthers are tearing apart their crap, from the Pope to presidents of every country. The Earth is flat, and this is realized. People are realizing this worldwide. It's obvious. What proves it? And I'll have a beer on that. What proves it is the Pacific Ocean. I mean, I like to see you curve that son of a bitch. I mean, if you're a fisherman from the Philippines, or from British Columbia, or from the west coast of United States, California, Seattle, which has a very big history of fishing in the Pacific, it's not, you're not going out on a ball water. So what we have is like a propaganda that's been given us, and actually taught to us when we were very young. So it's easy to fool 7-year-old kids, and that's how we got it. But it's over. It's 2020, and you can come on the chat or whatever you want. But flat Earth is not going away, and the Pacific Ocean proves it. Like, if you look at the physics of it. Now, just hold it a minute. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it a minute. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'll get it in a minute. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'll prove. Excuse me. I don't know why I have to keep teaching young people this stuff. All right. All right. Just hold it. Hold it. All right. Hold it. We got a ball. Okay. We got a ball. Okay. We got a ball. All right. Now, this is hard education for you young guys who've been brainwashed. I know it's going to be tough. So we got a ball. All right. Now we got a Pacific Ocean on this ball. I'm not going to spin it. Yeah. We got a Pacific Ocean on this ball. Traveling through space, it's just a zooming like a son of a, it's zooming away. Yeah, it's doing fuck all. It's stationary. I mean, nobody had, none of these scientists, none of these guys, Einstein, shithead, or any of these guys have ever proved that this is zooming through space. Totally fucking bullshit. They never proved it by physics or by any scientific method. So here we go. We got a ball. Now we're spinning at 1,000 miles. Oh boy, that's pretty good for a 7-year-old kid, isn't it? Yeah, holy boy. That's what you got. No. But here's the ball. All right. Now, what fucks that up real bad is the level, a water level that you build your house on. We build with a water level, and we've been doing it since we've been building houses and building anything on the earth. We use a water level. Very straightforward. They use the water level. Now, now, here we go. Here's your ball, and it's spinning. Now, the Pacific Ocean is over here. Okay? All right? The Pacific Ocean's over here. All right? Now, it's level. Now, think about it. Think about it. Your little human life, the Pacific Ocean doesn't give one fuck for your human little life. It don't give a shit. And it doesn't give a shit about what some human talks about crap because it ain't science. But what is science? What is really fucking science is the Pacific Ocean and what water is. It's hard for you to concept this because you've been brainwashed by a bunch of fucking assholes. Now, let's get into the Pacifics of the size of the Pacific Ocean. All right. It's the biggest thing on this flat earth. It don't give a shit. It rules. The Pacific Ocean rules your ass. It rules everything about your human ass. Period. And you know why that is? Is because the sun is not 93 million miles away. It's right there in your face. And that's what you call real intelligence. And now grow up and realize the earth is flat and it's not going away. And go study it, what I said, and you can't debunk anything what I said. And welcome to the real world. Because if you're not coming along with us, then you'll be left behind in the darkness of crap, 400-year-old crap that was taught to you by people that didn't give a shit for your life at all. And they died not giving a shit for your life, or your mother's life, or your son's life, or your father's life. They didn't give a shit. But now it's different. And now you know. Now, getting back to this ball earth shit. Here's a ball. Okay? Now, the Pacific Ocean is water. And it's big. See me in here? Ooh. Now, if the earth was a ball, the Pacific Ocean would lie flat. So it's very straight. So what would happen? What would happen is there'd only be land at the top of the ball earth. Or there'd only be land at the bottom of the ball earth. But that's bullshit. Because the earth is flat. Now, when it's flat, like this, okay, like this, okay, when it's flat like this, okay, all right, you have the Pacific Ocean, all right, which creates our weather. So there's no, you don't have to interpret some bullshit about ball earth. It's flat. So you have to get deprogrammed. So help you. Some people that have some intelligence on the flat earth can understand that. Now, let me run that by you again. Let me run that by you again. How big is the Pacific Ocean? Well, it's huge. The Pacific Ocean is the character that creates all weather on this flat earth. It's the Pacific Ocean. They don't want to teach. They don't teach you that. It's huge. We're not. We're not a Earth planet or a ground planet or no. We're a water planet, and we're all mostly water. Now, again, I will tell you, and it'll sink into some people that have done physics as good as I have, and the rest of these son of a bitches, Einstein, and these guys were all fucking Zionist Jew bullshitters. In those years, nobody could even read and write. You have to understand that. It's the main factor. Now, let's go again, just to get it through you. Now, the Pacific Ocean is huge, is deep, and it creates all our weather on this flat earth. It's, us humans have got fuck all to do with it. We have nothing to do with it. We have nothing to do with it. 2020, we still have nothing to do with it. We're just one little human being on fuck all compared to the Pacific Ocean. So let's get back to the science. Now, the science is the Pacific Ocean is huge, okay? And it can't work on a ball. Scientifically, it can't work on a spinning wet tennis ball. It won't work that way. Because if, in all their logical and everything, if the earth is spinning at 1,000 miles an hour and we're a ball, then eventually over 80 billion years or 80 trillion years, the Pacific Ocean would lie flat. There'd only be land at the top, or you flip it up, there'd be only land at the bottom. Now, if you can't figure that out, you should go back to grade 10 physics. That's the way it is. It's not going away. So now you know. And I'll have a beer on that. So you can come into the chat and whatever you want to do. Well, like I say, I'll have a cigarette. I don't have to tell you twice. If you didn't catch that, well, maybe you'll catch it when you're 40 years old, or maybe you'll catch it when you're 60 years old, or maybe you catch it when you're 80 years old, or maybe you won't even catch that. And you'll live a life of thinking that the earth is a ball spinning through space. No, you gotta be joking. You know. And you can come to my channel if you want. I have a YouTube channel. And you can, you know. But remember one thing, think about it. Think about the science. You know. Don't be shallow about it. You know. because you don't want to learn about it when you're 80 years old. You don't want to be oh geez, I'm 80 years old. Well, why didn't somebody tell me about that when I was 20? Well, I'm telling you that when you're 20. So there you go. And you can come on the channel if you want. It's okay. You you don't have to worry about So I've told, and if you want to confront me about flat Earth or ball Earth, which is ridiculous, I mean, oh, oh, like little Earthmen have control over the Pacific Ocean. Oh, come on, man. We haven't even been to the moon. And we got control over the Pacific Ocean. Oh, fuck off. Like, oh, Trump could control the. He can't control shit. He's a shithead. Oh, come on, grow the fuck up, man. Yeah. What happens if you lose a motorcycle at 100 miles an hour? What happens? Well, everybody knows. You're fucking dead. Real fucking dead.